Hello YouTube, how you doing? Bryce, I'm all here again. It's been a while, and I just wanted to actually show a quick find, a garage find. In my case, and I say garage find because I got quite a few things in the garage these days, and this huge box um, was actually hidden somewhere in the garage. It's a huge box. It is 36 pounds, and it fits a frame. According to what I understand and the part number here, this is a 25-year-old box with a frame inside. It is actually for a Honda XR200R between 2000 and 2002. A brand new frame from back in the day that I bought, and like you see here, unopened. My goodness gracious, it has never been opened. And I do have an XR here, but this one, I think that frame on that bike is bent. So I bought this one thinking that I'm gonna replace it, and here I am sometime later, and this thing is still sealed. Okay, so my son here is gonna help me out, open it up and see the condition of this thing. I'm actually expecting it to have the MCO, a title, and a brand new frame, considering it is a brand new frame, unopened for that matter again. But I'm thinking it's probably going to be an MCO. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I can't believe that this was not open. But this box or this frame came from Japan. As you can see, the box made in Japan. This is not repackaged or anything like that, or original color. Wow, look at that. And so basically I'm just going to take all this packing material out. It comes with a, wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. 25-year-old. It's a 2001 frame. Oh, look at this, man. So super nice. I'm actually gonna put it right on top of the box. Look at this, guys. Brand new, unscratched. Perfect, man. Look at this. Guys, this is like unbelievable. I never thought that. This is like looking at a brand new piece of history. This is out of control, man. I'm actually excited because that bike that I have, I bought it before COVID, and I've been putting it away or not really doing much with it. But now I guess is the time to do something with it. One interesting thing I noticed in this frame, and that is not serialized, okay? It is just not serialized, which means that I could take this frame anywhere, I would think in the United States, and go to the DMV. Wow, look at the dust, 25-year-old dust. And I could take it to any DMV and have them issue me a VIN for that particular state, okay? And basically get it registered. And once I get a motorcycle built out of this, considering this is an XR frame, I could actually integrate the things necessary to turn this into a motorcycle that's street legal, okay? And considering it has never been registered, no VIN, wow, this is just incredible. You don't see this kind of stuff very often, man. So I'm actually quite happy about the fact that this looks perfect, man. There's not even one scratch on it, which, you know, actually I thought it was maybe a little bit of a scratched up, but not at all, man. Not even the bottom, not bent, perfect. This is absolutely awesome. So anyways, most likely what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to be taking this, assembling a bike, and putting the lights and putting all the necessary components to make it street legal. I'm going to take it to the DMV, get it inspected in the state, in my case, Florida. And I know for a fact that they can actually issue a VIN from the state, and I will get this this frame. I could not get the frame registered now because there's no VIN on it. But the fact that I'm glad I took this video because it has no serial number, man. I've never seen that before, ever. And this is a brand new, made in Japan, leftover from the factory. Okay, and just in case some people are not familiar with the factory stuff, these are pieces that are basically built to put motorcycles together. And once the manufacturer gets them built, okay, they depending on where they're going, they will stamp them according to their country or what have you, and they will actually issue the serial number, put it in the right box. This particular one was meant for the US, okay, and there's ways to find out through the part numbers what model and serial and what have you will be stamped here by Honda in this case, and they will actually designate which country they're going to. Okay, so I'm not going to get too much into that. I just wanted to show the frame, and this is a unique find. This is just incredible, man. I just wanted to show that this is possible to even find today. I'm certainly unsure of how much this was, but then again, I just wanted to show it, make a quick video. Eventually I'll make a quick short, and I'll go from there, guys. Thanks so much for being patient with me and my videos. I've been super busy doing a heck of a lot of stuff. So I suppose that once I get between my IT and the XR and selling some stuff I got going on, I'll go from there. So other than that, guys, appreciate it, and have a good one.